Hello students. In our previous video, we were discussing about the fourth lesson of science, that is plants around us. Until now we have discussed about the different habitats of plants, that is terrestrial plants that live on land and the aquatic plants. We have discussed the different habitats of terrestrial plants, for example, plants that grow on hills, plants that grow in desert and plains, marshy areas, and so on, or hot and wet regions. And we have also discussed the special features that help them to live in that particular surrounding or environment or habitat. Then we have discussed about the aquatic plants. That means the plants that grow in water or found in water. And we have discussed that there are two types of aquatic plants, that is floating plants and underwater plants. And floating aquatic plants are also divided into two types, that is free floating plants and fixed aquatic plants. And we have discussed their special features. For example, that the leaves of the free floating aquatic plants have air filled cavities which help them to float on the water. And there are fixed aquatic plants. Their stem is fixed in the pond bed, that is in the soil which is in the water, and their stems have holes and their leaves are broad. And after that we have discussed about the underwater plants. They have pointed and strap-like leaves. So this is what we have discussed till now. Now today we will discuss about the cultivated plants, or we can say the cultivation of plants. Cultivated plants are those plants which are grown by the farmers in their field. So we discuss how the cultivation of plants, about the cultivation of plants. One day Mona visited a village. She saw some farmers uprooting small plants from their fields. She asked her father why were they doing so. Her father told her that plants like sugarcane, maize, wheat and rice are grown in this way by the farmers. Such plants are called cultivated plants. So as I have already told you, the plants that are grown by the farmers in their field are called cultivated plants. So here is about a girl, that is Mona. She visited a village and she saw that some farmers are uprooting some plants from their fields. Uprooting means उखाड़ रहे थे कुछ plants को. She asked her father why they were they doing so. Her father told that there are many plants that are grown in the fields and that such plants are called cultivated plants. Sometimes a few undesirable plants also grow along with the cultivated plants. So you must have seen the undesirable or unwanted plants that grow with the cultivated plants. You must have flower pots at your home. So you see that there are many unwanted plants, undesirable plants grow with your plant which you have grown in the flower pot. सपोज आपने कोई फ्लावर का प्लांट लगाया है फ्लावर पॉट में, उसके आसपास देखना कि बहुत सारा घास उग जाता है, एंड दीज अनडिजायरेबल प्लांट्स कॉल्ड वीड्स। और ऐसे प्लांट्स जो कि हमें जरूरत, जिनकी हमको जरूरत नहीं होती है, वो प्लांट्स जो उग जाते हैं हमारे कल्टीवेटेड प्लांट्स के साथ, या हमारे प्लांट जो हमने ग्रो किया है उसके साथ, दोज अनडिजायरेबल, अनडिजायरेबल मीन्स जिनकी जरूरत नहीं है, आर कॉल्ड वीड्स। द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई वी uproot them. Uproot means उनको निकाल देते हैं. Why? Because these plants take the nutrients of the cultivated plants, or you can say the plants that we have grown. जो ये plants होते हैं, ये हमारे plants का या crops का न्यूट्रिएंट ले लेते हैं, जिसकी वजह से हमारे जो क्रॉप्स है वो अच्छे से ग्रो नहीं कर पाती। सपोज एक चॉकलेट है जिसे आप अकेले खाते हैं, अब अगर 10 और चिल्ड्रन आपके साथ आ जाएं वो सेम चॉकलेट खाने को, तो आपको कितना मिलेगा? बहुत कम खाने को मिलेगा। तो इसी तरह से सॉइल में न्यूट्रिएंट्स तो एक फिक्स्ड अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट है, लेकिन जब बहुत सारे प्लांट्स एक ही जगह पर ग्रो कर जाते हैं तो वो न्यूट्रिएंट सारे प्लांट्स यूज करने लग जाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से सबको पूरा न्यूट्रिएंट नहीं मिल पाता, और स्पेशली जो प्लांट हमने ग्रो किया है उसे वो न्यूट्रिएंट नहीं मिल पाते, जिसकी वजह से हम जो अनडिजायरेबल, दैट मीन्स ऐसे प्लांट्स जो अपने आप उग गए, जिनको हमने नहीं उगाया और हमारे किसी काम के नहीं है, उन प्लांट्स को हम उखाड़ देते हैं, निकाल देते हैं। एंड these undesirable plants are called weeds, and these can harm the growth of the cultivated plants. Hence they are removed from the soil. Now you understand what are weeds and why these farmers are uprooting them. और आप भी अपने फ्लावर पॉट्स में अगर आपके प्लांट्स के साथ कोई दूसरे प्लांट्स ग्रो करते हैं तो आपने भी उनको निकालना है, और आपने देखा होगा कि आपके पेरेंट्स भी उन अनवांटेड अनडिजायरेबल प्लांट्स को निकाल देते होंगे। Now let us learn how farmers grow plants for cultivation. They first prepare their fields to sow the seeds. You know, अगर मैं एक सीधी जमीन पे सीड्स को गिरा दूं तो वो सीड्स ग्रो नहीं करेंगे। आपको वो सीड्स मिट्टी के अंदर डालने पड़ेंगे, सॉइल के अंदर डालने पड़ेंगे, तभी वो ग्रो करेंगे। So the farmers also prepare the field to sow the seeds, and for that they first dig the soil, loosen it and make it soft. So seeds को अंदर जाने के लिए और प्रॉपर ग्रो करने के लिए सॉइल कैसी होनी चाहिए? सॉफ्ट। So farmers dig the soil and loosen it. You can see here the picture. Farmer is using the plow. Plow means हल, जिसे हम कहते हैं, आप में से बहुतों ने देखा होगा। Nowadays ये हमको बहुत कम देखने को मिलते हैं। We are using the tractors for this purpose. ट्रैक्टर से हम सॉइल को डिग करते हैं और लूज करते हैं, बट nowadays also you can see this plow in the hilly areas, because वहां पर ट्रैक्टर्स इजीली नहीं पहुंच पाते हर फील्ड में। So and this is called plowing. Plowing is done by using the plow which is an iron structure. These days plowing is done with the help of tractors. That is what I have explained. Plowing is followed by sprinkling of seeds. So after loosening the soil, farmers sprinkle the seeds. That means वो seeds को उस खेत में डाल देते हैं जिसकी soil उन्होंने dig की है और lose की है. It is necessary to drop the right amount of seeds at regular distances. So when the seeds are sprinkling, और जब हम seeds डालते हैं फील्ड में तो हमें क्या ध्यान रखना है? वही जो मैंने अभी बताया कि बहुत सारे प्लांट्स एक ही जगह पर ग्रो ना करें, बिकॉज उनको प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं मिलेंगे. इसलिए हमको उनका डिस्टेंस, प्रॉपर डिस्टेंस, राइट डिस्टेंस मेंटेन रखना है सीड्स के बीच में, ताकि वो दूर दूर ग्रो करें और उनको प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिएंट्स भी मिले. द फील्ड्स इज देन वाटर्ड. जब सीड्स हमने सॉइल में डाल दिए, देन व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? द फील्ड इज देन वाटर्ड. उनको इरिगेट करना है, फील्ड्स को सिंचाई करनी है, पानी देना है. आफ्टर अ फ्यू डेज स्मॉल प्लांट्स स्टार्ट स्प्राउटिंग. You must have seen that the plants grows from the seeds, and then along with these sprouts weeds may also appear in the field. And when the plants grow from the seed, many other plants, that what we have discussed, unwanted, undesirable plants also grow with them. So what we do? We will take them out so that they will not take the nutrients of our plant. So seeds of weeds are brought to the fields by birds and other animals. Now, from where these weeds grow? Seeds of the weeds are brought by the birds and other animals. वो वहां पर उनको लेके आते हैं, उन सीड्स को, जिसकी वजह से वो वहां पर ग्रो कर जाते हैं. Weeds removed so that they do not consume water and fertilizer meant for the main crops. As I have already discussed, that they take the nutrients of our plant. So they are removed because they consume the water. जो हम irrigate करते हैं fields को, तो उससे जो water ये weeds ले लेते हैं. और जो fertilizer means खाद जो हम डालते हैं. There are two types of, one is your manure and another is your fertilizer. Fertilizer is a not natural. These are the chemicals that are used in the fields to give the nutrients to the crops. But the manure is a natural that we make from the cow dung. So that is much better than this fertilizer. Regular use of this fertilizer is not good for the soil. That we will discuss in higher classes. And these fertilizers and manure increases the amount of nutrients in the soil and which help our crop to grow better. But these weeds take these nutrients, so we have to remove them. The cultivated plants grow and give us the desired product. So these cultivated plants then grow. So these are the steps to grow the plants. That is, first of all, we have to dig the soil and loosen it to make them soft, and then we have to put the seeds in that soil, and then we have to water the field, and then these crops grow and then give us desired products. So it is not so easy to grow the crops in the field. Farmers do very hard work in the fields whole year, and then we get the food. So never waste the food, because इसको उगाने के लिए बहुत सा हार्ड वर्क किया होता है फार्मर्स ने. थैंक यू.